Hello, Maurice Beinat, Technical Director at ecoMaster. Today I want to take you through the installation of the GCE6 Draught Excluder for frameless windows. Nothing could be simpler. It's really just three simple steps. Measure, cut, and press into place. Couldn't be simpler than that. Now, before you get started, you're going to need 4 tools. Firstly, you'll need a measuring tape for measuring to length, a pencil for marking the seal to length, and then a mitre box and a fine-tooth saw to cut the seal. That's it. Let's get started. Step 1, measure to length. Remember, if your Draught Excluder is still intact, then just use that as a template. Okay, now that you've got the length, let's go and cut the Draught Excluder to size. Step 2 is to measure to length, mark the seal with your pencil, and then simply hold it firmly in the mitre box and gently cut to length. Clean up the end of the seal a little bit, and then you're ready to fit. So here we are with the Draught Excluder cut to length. So the last step, step 3, is to simply press it in place. Just line it up at one end and then simply press all the way on across the window until you have it all in place. And there you have it, job done.